Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Fasan. On behalf of Tyler Spade, I'm talking to all of the manufacturers around the show this year at Coverings. And today we're with Equipe and tomorrow Piloto. And we're just finding out what the thought process is behind the product development at Equipe. Equipe is really near and dear to my heart because it's like glaze and ceramics, and it's all the history of the Spanish industry. This year we're seeing a lot of tinted neutral tones, so we're seeing like grays that have a blush of pink or blue or green. So we're seeing a lot of tinted neutrals, but Equipe just loves color.
Yeah, we're good color people. We like color. So since the beginning, Equipe always focused on color.
Yeah.
We want to decorate places, so we use the color as an accent, or we just want to have fun with it. And we're known for our colors now.
Yeah.
Nobody comes to Equipe looking for a white or a gray,
exactly.
which we also have, but this is what we're known for. This line here, lots of fun colors to play with.
Yeah, and the colors are really bold. I love the saturation that you're doing in your colors this year. Like, they're really strong colors, but they have a lot of variance to them. Like this line in particular, the pink has some gold tones, the blue has some rust tones. It's got a lot of variance.
Yeah, we play a lot, and this creates more depth and makes the product more interesting.
So I'm wondering if my thought process on this one is right. Can you tell me the concept behind the graphic for this program?
So we're trying to go back to nature and the beginning of the ceramics and how it started, the handmade look, all the variation and the effects that becomes an effect.
Yeah.
So that's where we got that, and that's why you have all this range here of different designs in the
So
lines.
it's like an old pottery glaze
Yes.
that was fired for a long time in a shuttle kiln or something.
Yes,
right?
we're trying to recreate the antique man-made look, but with the modern techniques that we have now.
Right, and that kind of leads us to all of the rich history that we have to play upon, and that's one thing that I've seen more and more in manufacturers this year specifically, with the rise in technology that we have in digital decoration, being able to recreate the history, and I think it's something that Equipe especially really tries to do quite a bit.
Yeah, so we try to stay in the ceramic, handmade, natural look. You won't see wood-looking styles here, or styles that are not, they're not tiles.
No, you celebrate ceramic for ceramic.
We make ceramic-looking ceramics. That's what we do.
I love that, and pottery glaze, as a technician myself, it's so much fun to see the magic that happens in a kiln, and you've recreated it beautifully with all this variation.
Yeah, and it seems easy looking here, but it takes a lot of thought and a lot of work to get to the look that looks like it's been there forever.
I believe it. How many faces are in this program? Is it many?
Maybe 50, 60 faces depending on the size.
Yeah,
So
that's cool.
a lot of variation. That's why you get this rich look with all the shades.
Yeah, no, it's got all the richness of that classic tile, but it's done in a modern way at a much less expensive cost.
Yes,
right?
much more affordable.
Yeah.
Yes, we can make it affordable.
Yeah.
And we can make it available for everyone.
Yeah. So another recurring theme this year is sustainability. And I think Equipe has got some really creative, sustainable projects on the go.
Yes, we have the recycling and all the things that everybody has nowadays, but we have two projects that are very special to us. One is a CO2 retention, and it's being developed in a university in Italy. It's patented. So we're going to reuse all the CO2 produced at the factory, and it's going to be used as raw material for other industries. So the CO2 retention is a very good project. The other one we're installing an electric kiln, and it's going to be by solar power as much as possible.
Because it's pretty sunny in southern Spain.
Yeah, and when not possible, we're going to use green energy. So in Spain you have a choice to purchase green energy.
Okay.
So for that kiln we're going to be using green energy and solar power.
So if you have to top it up, if the weather is not enough, then you're purchasing from a sustainable, renewable source.
Exactly.
That's huge.
So that's the other project. You know how much energy a kiln takes.
Yeah.
So that is a big accomplishment
And
to be able to do that.
That's something that is unique to small format as well, right? Like your temperatures are a little bit lower than...
Yes, for the wide bodies, exactly. So that's going
So that's going to be your ceramic material in the smaller
Yeah, the pasta
format.
blanca.
Will be in the electric kiln.
Exactly.
That's incredible.
Yeah,
That's really nice to hear.
It's nice.
Cool. Tamara, thank you so much for taking the
Thank
time
you
to
for
talk to
stopping
us.
by. We appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.